Hello children, welcome back to all of you. I am Lalita Singh, your SST teacher. So how are you all of you? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. In last class, I have taught you chapter 2 Human Migration of class 5. In that chapter, we have studied what is migration, types of migration, voluntary migration, forced migration and seasonal migration. In today's class, we will move on our next topic and discuss it. Children, here I will explain you another example of forced migration. Okay, this is the part 2 of this chapter. I will talk you about the Kashmir flood. In September 2014, the Kashmir Valley was flooded. The flood were caused by heavy rains and overflowing of River Jhelum. It was mainly a man-made due to heavy construction on mountains. Thousands of people lost their homes, shops, businesses, etc. The Indian military and local authorities helped the victims. Thousands of people took shelter in relief camps in mosques and gurudwaras. They were given food, medicine, clothes, etc. So children, it was another example of forced migration. Okay, now move to the next one, that is the hardship faced by the migrants. Which type of problem faced by migrants? We will study about it. The migrant face many problems as they have to move away from their homes and families to other areas. The laborers move to cities for jobs and better wages, that means salaries. They have to live without basic amenities like shelter, sanitation or safe drinking water. Sometimes it's happened the condition is worse when they migrate with their family members. The women have to work hard. The children do not get education. Many migrants do not get any work and hence start begging also. So this type of difficulty children migrants have to just face when they migrate from one place to another place. Okay children, but it is not important that always is brought the difficulties. Sometimes it brings joy also. Here is the joy of migration. Migration is like a chain. If the first person who migrates sends happily settled information to the loved ones, the others also migrate to the same country. Migration brings happiness to many people. They see new places, experience climate that suits them, learn about new customs, tradition, cuisines, dresses, dances, music, etc. Okay children, now I will tell you about animal migration. Animal migrate with change in season. They migrate to find warmer weather, better food supply, or safe place to give birth to their young. You know children, that is very interesting. Animals do not follow a map or GPS to move from one place to another place. They know which direction to follow. They learn this from their parents and have a special senses. Right? Here is 7 wonders of the natural world. You know about children? Wild birds of Africa migrate in search of green pasture, crossing many crocodile-filled rivers. When they crossed that river, in that river there were many crocodiles, but they crossed very safely. This great migration is known as one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. So children, that's all about this chapter. I explained all important topics related to this chapter. I hope you understand very well. Now we will move to our definition of this chapter. First definition of this chapter is migration. The regular movement of people from one place to another is known as migration. Okay, children? Next one is voluntary migration. What is voluntary migration? The movement of people from one place to another on their own wish or choice is known as voluntary migration. Third, forced migration. There are two types of forced migration. The movement of people from one place to another due to natural disasters like flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. Next one is the movement of people from one place to another due to man-made disasters like fire, drought, or terrorist activities. These all types are forced migration. Number 4th is seasonal migration. As I told children in class, the movement of people from one place to another to earn extra money in harvesting season is known as seasonal migration. And last definition of this chapter is, children, 7 wonders of the natural world. Yes, what is 7 wonders of the natural world? The migration of wild beasts of Africa in search of green pasture by crossing many crocodile-filled rivers is known as one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. So that's all about this chapter, children. I hope you understand very well and you will be just learn these important points as well as definition too. And in next video of the part 3 of this chapter, I will explain the exercises. Till then, be safe, stay home and keep learning.